This section, and after this section, couple more lessons, we are going to talk about the SimpleGUI. The SimpleGUI, and sometimes it says SimpleGUI or SimpleGUI. It doesn't matter. So the SimpleGUI is one of the libraries which is designed for the Python, and it helps us to visualize some graphics. So if you see, we have a simple over here, and we have a GUI, and the GUI stands for the graphic user interface. So the only thing is, not every single IDE is supporting the SimpleGUI. So we are going to use one of the IDEs, one of the platforms that we can type our codes. It's a code sculptor. If you type codesculptor.org, so let me just bring it over here. We have a codesculptor.org. So we have another environment. As a default, they bring some codes over here. So we are going to type different codes on that side, on the left side, and on the right side, we are going to have our outputs. But in order to be in most updated version of the SimpleGUI, we have another link. It says a pi3.codesculptor.org. So if I click on that one, it will be almost same environment, but in the Python 3 version. So let me see. We have two Windowses. I have on the left side, and I have on the right side. So let me see what is going on here on the menus. So the very first one is to run, because we are going to type the couple lines of codes, and if you want to execute it, we are going to run it. Sometimes if the code is getting long, so imagine that you have a loop that which is constantly just going and running that, so we can reset it, we can stop it at any time we want. And the beauty of this code sculptor is right now, as you see on the top, we have a pi3.codesculptor.org. But what you can do is you can create a unique URL, a unique link to your codes. So if you make a new URL, let me just click on it, and you see we have a unique URL here. So what does it mean? That after this point, so let me just delete all of them. I will delete, and I will print the basic code right now. Let me just zoom in so you can clearly see what is going on. I will see print hello. Let me just type it. And if I execute it over here, so you see the results over here. So you see right now I have my unique link which is belong to me only, and after that I can save it. So even if you close your computer, guys, so what you can do is you can just copy and save it somewhere else, or you can send it to somebody else. So if I open that one, and if I pass it over here, and if I run my code, so I can bring my codes over here. But yes, that is the simple what the environment looks like. There are more menus on the code sculptor. So if you go to the download, imagine that you have a couple lines of codes and you want to download it and use it in a different IDE, in a different environment, so you can use download. Or inverse, you have some codes which was made in other platform like the Google Colab or somewhere else, and you want to use them here, so you can download that code from the Google Colab and bring it here to the code sculptor. And here we have a join. So what is the join is, it's one of the features of the code sculptor. So what you can do is you can just create a session and share it with somebody. So in the same platform, at the same time, more than one people, 2, 3, 4 people, you can just work together at the same time in the same environment. And here docs, we have a docs. If you click on the docs, it will just bring to another link. It will give some documentations about this library, more details about library if you need so. And the last one is just about. So that is all about the code sculptor. The code sculptor is one of the IDEs for Python. It's not high advanced, but it's good enough to work with the GUI. And we are going to use this IDE in our couple lessons for now.